Hello, so my name is Chehak Bansal and I've designed this spray with the help of my school team. So we've named it NoWet. It's a hydrophobic spray. So we've used the technology of nanotechnology. So what it exactly does is that a surface that has pores in it and absorbs water like such as a cloth. So it fills in those pores and makes it water repellent, creates a thin coating that is smooth and does not absorb water. So I'll show you a demo. So right here I have a tissue. We'll put water on it and it will repel water. Like here I have put it on tissue and it just repels water. It does not get wet. We can test it on many things, like I have a cardboard right here. So the water just flows off. Our spray can be used in a variety of surfaces, whether it's cloth, it's cardboard, it's metals. It even delays the process of rusting because it prevents the metals from coming in contact with water. So yeah, that's all about the project. Thank you.